Without plastic packaging, we would seriously threaten the supply chain when it comes to food, medicine, construction, technology, automotive, and many other industries. My name's Aki Motafis. I'm the CEO of Plastic Bubbles. So the company was founded in 1975 by my late father and my uncle, Stratus and Menelos Motafis. Plastic Bubbles is a dynamic and innovative packaging company that specializes in injection and blow molding for the fast-moving consumer goods industry.
Plastic Bubbles culture, so it's a very warm culture, open culture. It's not bureaucratic, it's down-to-earth people. You can talk to people on a daily basis, and that's what makes it exciting for the entire company. I'm Sean Kenneth. I am the sales manager for Plastic Bubbles.
Technology plays a very important role at Plastic Bubbles. It impacts our business in two ways. The first way is what we call the multiplier effect. The second impact is the unlocking effect. The operational challenges change every year. Where we were 20 years ago to where we are now, there's no real comparison.
And one of the challenges that we always had is the CRM system speaking to our company?
We went through a process where we looked at a few CRMs, saw the strengths and weaknesses of each platform.
And the reason we chose Zoho, it excited us because it streamlined processes. It integrated all our processes into one module.
Talking with Infolytics, our service provider, they made the whole process and the whole journey in adopting Zoho very easy for us.
So we pushed the boundaries with Zoho. What was very important for Infolytics is that when you phone them to understand something, because we're kind of new in this thing, right? They actually took the time to get on a call with us or visit us immediately and enhance that customer experience. So we started off with designing Zoho, and we knew we needed to go with product CRM. So from CRM, so we're now moving on to desk. The products we also use from a marketing perspective is Social, Zoho People, and Zoho Campaigns. How we manage CRM is that all our meetings, calls, tasks, everything is captured in Zoho. Zoho Desk, together with our care center, has been designed from the time the customer places the order to the time we actually sending the order confirmation, what time that opportunity we closed that.
Zoho One has really helped us improve our lead generation capacity. From a statistical point of view, I think we have close to tripled our lead generation.
From the time we started with Zoho, and so our productivity from a sales meeting, I would think, from where we used to do it in Excel before and a Word document before, now it's gone up probably 80%.
From the conversion side, I think we have seen a marginal improvement, around 10 to 15%.
I would recommend Zoho to other companies because this Zoho is cutting edge. It's digitization, and together with AI coming into our world, with Zia, as well, we ask lots of questions, and it gives us a lot of streamlined information that helps us obviously to partner in this new technological environment that we are. If I happen to describe Zoho in one word, it'll be innovative.
Game changer.